High-precision injection, mold manufacturing assembly. In the world of high-volume production, the mold is the heart of the product. At world-class mold is more than just a block of steel. At our facility, we don't just build tools, define the limits of what is possible in plastic injection molding. 1. The foundation. Axis ultra-precision CNC machining. The process begins with high-speed axis CNC machining. Unlike standard milling, our axis centers allow for the machining of complex geometries in a single setup, drastically reducing cumulative errors. We operate within a tolerance window of plus or minus 5 microns. The challenge: we utilize climate-controlled workshops and liquid-cooled spindles to ensure that the geometric integrity of the mold remains absolute from the first cut to the last. 2. The heart. Mirror 8M micro machining. For deep narrow ribs and intricate textures where physical cutters cannot reach, we utilize mirror electrical discharge machining 8M here. Electricity becomes the tool. The challenge: we achieve a surface roughness of 0.01, creating a finish so reflective it requires no manual polishing. This is critical for maintaining sharp corners and preventing dimensional distortion. Key difficulty lies in electrode wear management and discharge stability. Our process ensures perfect line, uniform textures, and microscopic detail. 3. Key synergy. Complex mold assembly component integration. A high-performance mold consists of hundreds of moving parts, slides, lifters, unscrewing mechanisms, and ejector pins. The assembly stage is where these individual components must become a single, harmonious machine. The challenge: we focus on the alignment of the hot runner system and cooling circuits, ensuring they are pressure tested to prevent leaks that could cause catastrophic failure during production. 4. The soul. Manual fitting. The blue lid test. Despite the power of our machines, the final seal is achieved by the human hand. This is the art of high-precision fitting. We apply a microscopic layer of Prussian blue paste to the parting surfaces to verify the contact area. The challenge: we aim for 100% seal along the parting line. This prevents flash, the seam, leakage of plastic that ruins part quality. With tolerances tighter than human hair, our technicians painstakingly grind and stones the steel by hand until the fit is airtight. This meticulous process ensures that the mold remains robust even under hundreds of tons of clamping pressure. 5. Conclusion. Your partner in excellence. From the first micron to the final shot, we combine advanced technology with decades of expertise. This is the art of precision. This is the future of manufacturing.